Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, SPY finally acted human today and pulled back a little bit. I mean, it's always funny. You read the headlines, and everybody's got to have a reason for why this or that is happening. And maybe the reason is just simply, well, because it had been going up and up and up every single day. So yes, there's definitely some selling pressure that has shown up. And, the quickest way, at least in my opinion, to monitor the selling pressure is just to get this downtrending trend line in place and to watch that. And really, as long as the price stays below that level, then, as far as I'm concerned, the overall selling pressure is strong enough to be paid attention to and to acknowledge. Now, if the price does work its way back up here and break up through it, I mean, of course, that doesn't mean the selling pressure is totally gone. But at that point, especially if it's a high volume break, then with as strong as the overall trend has been, I don't think it's unreasonable to think that this thing's got a great shot at getting up to 314, if not even higher than that to close out the week. But again, that's all dependent on, can it be a high volume break to the upside of that trend line. On the flip side of things, as far as levels that at least I'll personally be looking at and keeping an eye on, that's where this area comes into play right here at the 309 mark. 309, very interesting because that's just where the party for the bears, that is, finally stopped today before the nice bounce that played out here. But that's also a level where if 309 does not quite hold up, then as I've talked about in past videos, I mean, not a guarantee, but I think it's more than reasonable to think that that thing's closing the gap. So if 309 fails, then at minimum the price or SPY is at least going down to 308 because that would be that gap close location. Once again, nothing's a guarantee, so I'm not trying to suggest that. My core point here is that I don't think it would catch anybody off guard to see 309 fail and then have that cause enough downward selling pressure that eventually takes it down to that 308 mark. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. Those are going to be the main technical levels that I'll be watching. But yeah, let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.